going to start
Hello,
now?
welcome to Vin's Vlog. So today we're going to start our testing and commissioning for our Baudouin engine, and this one is coupled with the Leroy Sommer alternator. So now we are having a conversations how we're going to start and what are the steps we're going to do in this new engine. So here we're going to test what are the errors or the failures may occur during the test. So here the engine is running, but after that it is sudden shutdown due to fuel deficiency. So we are here doing the trial and error. What are the problems? We are checking the wiring, the solenoid, the functions of its wiring. Maybe there is some wrong connections. So here we are troubleshooting the situations that we are facing. So we are going to start and check while observing the engine what are the causes of its failure. So we found out that there is some missing wiring, which is we need to have one extra relay for our solenoid in order to energize or de-energize to stop this kind of solenoid for this engine. So after that we know the situations while reading the manual and checking the functions, we understand that we need to do the extra relay for its function. So after that we are doing the wiring, and finally we are start and reprogram and recalibrate also the engine so we can start normally and without any failure. So we need to do the rewiring because they need energize to stop the solenoid. So this one is having some issues with the wiring, so we need to modify it, and we'll start it back once I've done modified. Here we're going to fast forward while I'm doing the rewiring for this module so we can easily finish this video. Just take a look how I did and comment down below if you have some questions and doubts that you need to ask. We will check it now if it is working. So for meanwhile, I will just remove the crank so we can check if it will give you an active supply. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, so 5, so this one. So let's remove for a while this things so it will not crank, so I can test the supply if in stop mode, if there is a supply from here. So let's try to start. Yeah, so we will wait for the stop if having a supply. So now we're ready, and we're now going to put the load at 100%, and we're going to test for the vibration tests, and we're going also to have a shock load and the acceptance load of this engine if it is capable with. So here I'm going to put the load while the guys is also checking what are the status of the engine, and we're going to check those parameters that we needed, like the temperature, the oil pressure, and the vibrations, the temperature with the alternator and the breaker, with the engine if it is cooling up properly. While having the load for an hour, we're going to check all of this in order to know that there is no problem and it is working correctly. So now we're ready for our own tests for our temperature, vibrations, and also to check the sound level. I know this is open type and it is loud, but here I will show you the 100% of load, temperature, and the oil pressure are all normal, so it is working fine without any problem. Now it's almost an hour working, but the temperature is very good at this point. So here are our tests that I'm going to flex to you, and it is working perfectly. So in a way, also the voltage, the frequency, the speed are all perfectly normal, and it is perfectly stable. So here our generator, and it is running, and now we're going continuously checking the engine if it is no failure at this moment. So take a look while it is running. So here we are succeed to our tests and it is working. Thank you for watching.